Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here. I happen to be in my live training room, and I'm going to be talking about the 389,000 free leads, the lead swap leads that I actually received Monday. This training video here is a little late. I've been busy making GoPro videos the first part of the week, but that's what we're going to be talking about here. These 289,000 free leads. So if you want to access all my training, you need to go to HarveySilverFox.com. In fact, right here is free access to 2,000 leads right here. I have everything that you need to generate leads, such as, and also to market your leads, such as this bulk email blaster and the video training for Aweber and video training for Facebook here. Here's Marty and I put together this training for MailWiz, and I talk about all the lead swap leads I've received. And every Friday, you're going to request your lead swap leads Fridays, and you're going to receive those leads on Monday. So let's work our way back up here. And of course, when you do make it to HarveySilverFox.com, you're going to have all this training here, okay? Training for beginners and newbies. In other words, there's just no excuses. There's, for a newbie, or actually for somebody who's struggling online, not to make any money. After you go through, I have tools, everything that you need to build your business. Here's my online live training room. Buy abandoned domains for less than $15. Here's how you're going to rank your videos. In fact, I'm going to use this tool to rank this video, Bitcoin Profits here. There's a free sizzle called Viral Marketing System. Viral Video Downline Builder Marketing System, that's free. Here's a training course you absolutely positively need to go through. I'll walk you through it step by step, and after you get done with this training course, I think the light bulb is going to go on and say, hey, that's what I've been doing wrong. Here's some ClickBank affiliate marketing training. Here's a video back here. I walk you step by step on how to set up and build a blog. Got more leads. There's some viral lead generating tools back here. In this training here, you can actually see me in real time generate 100 leads a day on Facebook. In fact, I generate more than that. But I show you how to do it right here. There's Twitter training, and here's some Autobot tools, work smarter, not harder. And then I talk about branding. It's very important that you brand yourself like I branded myself. Okay, so let's, I'm going to pause the video and get over here to the leads I just received. Now, when you submit your leads on Friday to the lead swap, on Monday you're going to receive an email that looks something like this. I'm sending the leads to you as a BCC email. Here's the clean lead swap file. I'm going to do a shortcut and take you over to what the leads look like. You're going to receive them in the Excel file. In fact, let me pause it again here. Okay, there's 289,000 leads here. Of course, here's the email address. I'm not sure if I can spread this out or not, but here's the email address. Here's the email domain they came from, like AOL or Google or Microsoft. Here's the day, the first name, last name, IP address, city, state, postal, okay? And if you scroll down here, you're going to see I have 289,000. Pretty easy to do. Let's go back. Now, as you know from my other training videos, you cannot just throw these leads into Aweber or send them out through Gmail. There's 289,000 leads. What you need is a self-hosted email generator that you send out. So you click here on that email, and right here, how to get a self-hosted autoresponder from MailWiz. They have all the training, everything that you need to set up your self-hosted autoresponder right here. So he gives you everything that you need, okay, in that email. So in the description of this email, I have links that will bring you to where you can actually sign up. And you can also make your way to my platform here, HarveySilverFox.com. And of course, when you land, Make sure you click through here. Make sure you pick up your leads here. Your 2,000, get access to these 2,000 leads here. And this is a video training on how to request your 200,000 plus leads. And they've been averaging around 300,000 a week. But you have everything that you need to get started with email marketing and picking up opportunity seeker their surveyed leads. Okay, this video I'm producing right now will be going here. Okay, you know what to do. Harvey the Silver Fox here. I'll be waiting for you inside.